Today we're in Orlando, 32806. We're going to be touring this new construction home, a 4-bed and 2.5 bath, 2,800 square feet. I'm going to have the details on the screen or in the description. Probably going to do both of them. Just listed, I think 2 weeks ago. Let's check it out. Again, you have this hallway, and to the right is going to be a room. This could be an office or a bedroom. If you work from home, it's going to be a perfect space for an office. That is a private bedroom with shower, stand-up shower, sink. And you have a walk-in closet as well. Or this could be for a guest. You have a family visiting over, they could just stay here. And this is the half bathroom for guests as well. So we're gonna have 2 bathrooms upstairs, plus the 1.5 downstairs. And it's gonna be LVP flooring, luxury vinyl, apparently. We have a quarter-ton stairs with the windows and the sconces. It's gonna be the living room here. You have a linear layout. Your dining room and your living room here. You have these 2 massive windows and a sliding door that opens left and right as well. You have your beautiful kitchen. You have this dry bar, the wine cooler, and the cabinets are soft close, which is nice if you like that. I don't know why, this feels this wall is empty, but you have the tile that goes to the ceiling, same as the backsplash, which I'm gonna show very soon. You have these dome lights, pendant lights above the waterfall hedge as well. And you have standard height cabinets. It doesn't go all the way to the ceiling, so if you want to place any decorations above the cabinets, you can. And this one. And your backsplash. You have an electric cooktop, your pot filler. You have the backsplash flanking the canopy hood. Doesn't have. Oh yeah, I was looking for this. So you have your trash here. You have your faucet that is very flexible. The appliances are with General Electric, microwave oven here. This is a convection oven because there's a fan inside, so it's gonna be your kitchen. I love the color of the cabinets. Yeah. So while you wash dishes, you can also watch TV as well. So, you know. But then again, I guess the noise of, when you wash dishes, the person also watching TV can also hear you. So in terms of privacy, probably not the best, I guess. But then everyone can spend time together without being left out, So I'm gonna check out the pantry, which is pretty massive. Here, for dry goods or any appliances you want to put here. I don't see any outlets. Yeah, when you're not using your blender, you could just put them here, I guess. Make the kitchen clean and minimal. Yeah, it's a living room space. I'm going to show you the garage briefly. This is the two-car garage. You have epoxy on the floor. So you have your electric heater. So I'm gonna show you upstairs where we have the masters, the bill payer's bedroom, and two other rooms. Before that, I'll show you a different angle of the living space with the living room here with that massive window. Here. You have this loft area. Now, this could be a movie room. You just need to get a blackout curtain. It also has a walk-in closet. Oh, this is not a walk-in closet. This is dryer, washer and dryer. Apologies there. You have a sink as well. Yeah. Or this could be a game room. You know, this is gonna be the bill payer's bedroom. I'm gonna show that last before we head to the backyard. So I have two rooms. I have one to my right here and one to the left. It's gonna be a towel closet. As you can see, that's the other bathroom they're gonna share. There's the closet with the bypass doors and wire shelving. It's going to be similar to the other room as well. But this room, they get a view of the backyard. So if you get a pool, you know, it's going to be nice, you know, get a pool right there. And similar size closet with bypass doors and wire shelving. You have a herringbone pattern on the wall of the shower, a tub combo as well, a double vanity, so, and a toilet, of course. Then lastly, we're gonna check out the bill payer's bedroom. It's gonna be your AC unit, the air handler. See your bedroom. It's pretty spacious. It's gonna have a view of the pool you're gonna get, you know, once you buy this house. You're gonna have wood tile, you know, in the bathroom. Very similar to wood, but it's a tile. It's gonna be the shower, 2 shower heads, you know. And you have somewhat like an herringbone pattern on the wall and an X pattern on the floor. Just interesting, in the last bathroom I just showed, they use brass, hardware. Well, we have black hardware in this one. It's just interesting. Oh, you have a toilet hiding here. A cute window above. And lastly, we're gonna show the closet with wood shelving, which is good. It's pretty spacious. You probably need, more shelves or cabinets. This is a bit boring. Because you have your jewelries, your shoes, But that is your job to figure that out. I'm gonna show the backyard. I just want to show you where your future pool is gonna be. Now, what you could do eventually, you could put like lights, under the stairs. I've seen cases where they put lights under the stairs. Those are motion lights. So as you step on every step, the lights turn on, which I think is pretty cool. So lastly, we're gonna check out this backyard space. You have an oversized patio. So you could either open a sliding door from here or there. Depends on what you're feeling. This oversized patio. You have a fan and a couple recessed lights above. Yeah, so this could be a really nice place to entertain your guests. I'm walking backwards so you can just see how big this patio is. I probably suggest getting the fence there as well. But yeah, this is where you're gonna build your pool. Build a nice saltwater pool with a tanning ledge, some spillway, some deck jets, and it'll be beautiful. So from the master bedroom you can see, and from the other room you can see the beautiful pool you built. Anyways, it's gonna be the tour, pretty quick tour. It's only 2,800 square feet in this house. I'm gonna have the details in the description if you have any questions, just let me know. I have my number and my email there as well. Leave a like and comment so I can post more videos like this, and have a good one.